My channel, thank you once again for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome, and if you're returning back, oldie goodie, what's up, how you guys doing? You're doing it, and today's your first time, you haven't subscribed, like seriously, I need to know what you're doing. Anyway, before I rumbling a lot, thank you to my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys a lot, big time. One love. Please subscribe to my channel and turn notification bell. Also, with that, you'll be informed, notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, baby girl is glowing. I'm feeling myself with these kind of glasses right here. Something new for me, but hey, it's my vibe, so just accept my vibe, okay? Anyway guys, today I'm coming up to you with a makeup tutorial, which I'm really feeling myself right now. I guess I'm going to be removing my glass. Slay mama, slay queen. Anyway guys, I'm here to show you how I create this look. If you are recreating this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. This look is super duper simple to achieve, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this makeup intro. If you're interested, you want to see how I put this look together, keep watching, and don't forget to give me thumbs up and leave a comment below on what you think. And you know what to do. No long talking. Don't forget to do you. Stay pretty, stay blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, love this job. As you can tell, I did my brow off camera because it takes forever to do my brow. I have a brow tutorial on my channel, but it's kind of old, but I'm planning to do a new one, so please stay tuned for that. I use the Anastasia Beverley Hills Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. I use it to line my bottom and my upper lashes, but to fill in the empty space, I use the NYX eyebrow cake powder, my only gray. Yeah, and of course I set it already. I set it as well with my, where is this product? I'm sorry. Of course I set it with this Catrice Lash Brow Designer. I'm going to be using this NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow base. So here we go, go. My concealer brush, as always, is my favorite. I'm just going to dip in like so. My dear beauty blender, I'm just going to use it to blend out it kind of look cracky, so I'm just going to blend it to make it to look smooth. Sophx palette, I love this palette a lot. Okay, when I get a palette, I always like to use that palette until I get tired of it, and especially if you have a transition color. For my transition color, I'm going to be using this shade right here, which is called Tiramisu, and I'm using this brush from Luvia. I'm just going to dip in and then work my way out to my crease. To be using is called Monk Cake. Is a bit darker. It's kind of dark brown, not too dark. This shade right here. I'm just going to apply it to my outer corner and then blend it towards my crease and lid area. Not that much, because I want the out to be a bit smoky than in that corner. I'm not going to be bringing everything on my lid. This side mug cake is called Rosewood, which is this one right here. Of my eyeshadow, because it kind of look a bit ashy right now, I'm going to be taking this shade, which is called Peaches, and I'm taking this Jessup flat round brush to do that. Just a bit. It kind of look a little bit ashy and washed out, I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Danga, this one right here. I'm taking the same brush as well, this Moon. I'm just going to apply a bit of concealer. So the shade I'm going to be applying on my lid is Mixed Berries. This one right here, this shade right here, kind of, I don't know, peachy, not peachy, violet or something. So to blend out the edges of my outer corner, I'm going to be taking this shade called Rosewood. So guys, as you can tell, I did one eye off camera, which is my left eye. On camera is left, but in real life is right. Okay, anyway guys, I did this eye off camera, and not that I don't like how it looks like, it kind of look a bit dull. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking this shade called Pink Champagne. This one right here is a very beautiful color. I'm just going to apply it to my inner corner. To do that, I'm going to be using my UrbanDecay All Nighter setting spray. I'm just going to spray my brush like so the pigment would really pop out more. I'm going to be applying the same shade on my brow. So I'm going to be lining my eye off camera. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner and apply my first lashes off camera, and I will come back and finish my face, do my face on camera. Okay, but let me quickly show you the lashes I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using these Ardell Glamour lashes in number 105. Okay, and to apply my lashes, I'm going to be using a dual glue lash. So I'll be right back. Okay, don't go anywhere, just a minute. Okay, a bit. I'm going to go straight ahead and prime my face. I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever mattifying primer. So guys, for foundation, I'm going to be mixing two foundation. I'm going to be using the Esteelauder Double Wear Foundation, and I'm still going to be using the Naked Skin Weightless Ultra Makeup Foundation, and then the shade of the UrbanDecay is shade number 10, and this one is where is it? This one is Solid Wood, which is 6V1 Solid Wood. Yeah, this is kind of matte, this is kind of dewy, so I'm just kind of combine everything together. All right, firstly I'm going to be applying the dewy one on my face. Oops, don't drop on me. The reason why I'm applying very less from this one, because this foundation, like I said, is a double wear foundation. It has a lot of coverage, so you really need to be gentle with this foundation. This is also the foundation I use to clean my brow, my up and my bottom brows. So yeah, the brush I'm going to use to blend out this product on my skin is a round kabuki brush from Lamora in number T02. I'm still going to be using my Reed Technique sponge just to give me that airbrush and my face look a little bit seamless and matte and fresh and all those good stuff, you know I'm trying to say. Okay. To set my foundation, I'm going to be using the Nakde beige suede powder. This is what I'm going to use to set my face. I'm going to be using this Morphe kind of contour brush, but I'm going to use that to apply the powder on my face. So I like under my eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bone, my chin. I'm going to be using the Elegant concealer in the shade Warm Sand. So I'm going to let the concealer sit on my face for a while, maybe kind of 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. To do that, I'm going to be using this MAC Studio Touch in number NW55. This is how it looks like, and I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. contour brush to do that. This is kind of creamy foundation. I'm not applying any product on my beauty blender. I'm just using the rest product left on the beauty blender. To set under my eye, I'm going to be using the Airspun loose powder, this one right here. So to set my contour, I'm going to be using MAC Studio Fix in NW58. This is how it looks like. I'm using the same e.l.f. brush when I used to apply the cream contour. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow pencil by Berry Cosmetics, and in number 7 I'm just going to line my waterline with it. And the color is a bit similar to the color I have on my lid. It's kind of dark, super dark purple with a bit of shimmer. It's not that matte. To smoke it out, I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Danga, the one I applied on my outer corner eye earlier on, and I'm using this Jessup kind of small flat brush. So for mascara, I'm going to be using the Benefit roller lash. I'm going to apply it to my upper lashes and my bottom lash. So for blush, I'm going to be taking this big creative makeup blush, and in the name called Flirty. I love this blush a lot. It's so beautiful and super unique. Using this brush that I got from Beige Cosmetics, has no name. I'm just going to dip it just like so, and it's super pigment, so be careful with your blush. I'm still going to be using my brush because it's a bit too pronounced. So on my last video, guys, I used bronze and light copper. So today I'm going to be using Candlelight, and which is this shade right here, Bobbi Brown eye blender. To do that, my forehead is glowing like Chris Ball, right? But don't worry, that's my forehead, it's not yours. Just glow as much as you can. It's quite important. So for my inner corner, I'm going to be using a tiny brush. To do that, I'm going to be using this one from Beige Cosmetics. for lipstick, I'm going to be doing two combination. Normally we use a lip liner, but I got no time for that. I'm just so lazy to apply lip liner and blend. So I'm going to be using the ABH2 lip gloss, and the one I'm going to use to line my lips is Sad Girl. For the middle of my lid, I'm going to be using Koko.